we're gonna do this tipping. Now on this part, this part doesn't have as much paint as this part. We're gonna go this way. And we're gonna try to do it in one pass without having to do too much of that. The object is to keep your circle or move your circle back to the middle when you're done. So we're gonna go as close to the edge as you can. So get as close as you can, and then we're gonna go this way. It's so exciting seeing the paint move for me. I love it.
I mean, it really looks like marble.
Okay, then it's almost to the corner. So we're gonna go, it's okay if it runs over, you're supposed to eventually. I'm gonna get this side just a little as I go. So I'm tipping towards the corner, notice. Starting to run off, that's good. But you want the pattern on there too. We're gonna get down to the corner. Sometimes it gets stuck, you just gotta help it. Okay, now we're gonna go back to this side. Gonna let it run over a little bit. Keep going, keep going. Now I'm gonna go ahead and let it go off. And then I'm going to get this corner. As I'm doing that, I'm going to pay attention to my middle. The corner kind of dried as something was waiting. So you give it a little more paint, it'll go. Look at that. I don't think I want to lose that, so I'm gonna just try to get this back into the middle without losing much of that.
Yeah.
See those pretty circles? We want to make them on our, so just push down once. See? So then you're gonna find all the little white spots where you paint, and we're gonna touch it, and then we're gonna wipe it off. We're gonna do it again. That way you have kind of more of a pattern instead of a smear.